SSC results for the batch 2019 and 2020. This year there has been a delay in declaration of the results. HSC results तो 16 जुलाई को डिक्लेयर हो गया है, बट SSC रिजल्ट्स को लेके बहुत सारे कंफ्यूजन्स है कि कब आएगा SSC रिजल्ट्स, बिकॉज कोई भी एक क्लियर डेट नहीं दी हुई थी एंड बिकॉज कोई एक पर्टिकुलर डेट नहीं डिक्लेयर किया गया था फ्रॉम दी बोर्ड, दैट इज द रीजन बहुत सारे कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो रहे थे स्टूडेंट्स में, बिकॉज हर दिन एक न्यू न्यूज आ रही थी कि आज रिजल्ट आने वाला है और कल रिजल्ट आने वाला है. बट नाउ फाइनली फ्रॉम दी बोर्ड देयर हैज बीन एन ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट रिलेटेड टू दी SSC results. Most of the students are eagerly waiting for the result because अभी ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिले हो चुका है and no one has been able to wait because इसकी वजह से जो admission process है वो भी डिले होने वाला है. So now it is officially declared by the Maharashtra board. They have even passed a statement and जो हमारे education minister है वर्षा गायकवाड़, उनके ट्विटर हैंडल पे भी there has been the declaration कि जो SSC का रिजल्ट है वो रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर होने वाला है. आज ही एक ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट डिक्लेयर हुआ है बोर्ड की तरफ से फॉर द SSC रिजल्ट्स. सो एज पर दिस स्टेटमेंट द रिजल्ट्स आर गोइंग टू बी डिक्लेयर्ड ऑनलाइन एंड द रिजल्ट्स विल बी डिक्लेयर्ड ऑन 29th July, that is Wednesday. So tomorrow the results are going to be declared and the results will be declared by 1 PM. So 1 PM को आपका रिजल्ट जो है SSC का वो आ जाएगा. This was later then confirmed by the Hindustan Time and उनके according भी जो result है, now it is confirmed that the results are going to be declared tomorrow by 1 PM, that is on 29th of July. Now the results will be declared online, but the question is how to check your results. So results जो है वो online declare होगा, but और कौन से website पे? So on this website you have to go, that is www.maharesult.nic.in. I will also mention the link of this in my description. You can directly go there and check it out. Now results can also be declared on these two websites. For students, you all have to check your result on this website, that is www.maharesult.nic.in. And for schools, the website is www.mahasscboard.in. जो schools वाले हैं, they check the results for all the students. So for them, it is this website, and for the students, it is this website. When you will go to the website, that is www.maharesult.nic.in, आप जैसे ही उस पर क्लिक करोगे तो ये पेज ओपन होगा एंड देन यहाँ पे से आप अपना रिजल्ट जो है वो चेक कर सकते हो. So in short, there are 5 steps in which you can check your result. First जो है, you have to go to the official website, that is maharesult.nic.in. जैसे ही आप इसके official website पर जाओगे, होम पेज पे आपको SSC examination result 2020 पर क्लिक करना है. When you click on SSC examination result 2020, it will ask you to log in and your credential. Now login is nothing but it will ask you to put your seat number and any other information like your date of birth or mother's name. So that you need to enter, that is your login credentials. So that you will enter, and then next will be the result that will be displayed. Now it's better to take the print of your result because आगे जाके अगर कुछ भी mistake होता है जब आपको hand पे result मिलेगा from your school, so it's better to take a printout of your result and keep it with you for future reference. Or also you can take the screenshot of your result and keep it. So in this way you can check your result, that is first by visiting the official website, clicking on SSC examination result, entering the login ID, and then the results will be displayed. So check your results tomorrow, that is on 29th July at 1 PM. All the very best to all the students who have appeared for the SSC examination. Also, everything happens for a reason. So whatever marks you get, don't get disappointed and be happy and value yourself.